once again measuring the volume of the liquids. Pipette, burette, measuring cylinder, beaker, measuring flask and conical flasks. Pipette is used to measure the volume of 25 cm cube only. Burette is used to measure the volume up to 0.1 ml or centimeter cube. Measuring cylinder is used to measure the volume up to 100 cm cube of the liquid. Beaker is used to measure the volume of a liquid up to 250, 500, 1000 ml or centimeter cube, etc. Measuring flask is used to make the solutions of the different concentration of 100 ml, 250 ml, 1000 ml, even 2000 ml and so on. Conical flask is used specially for the titration purposes and it can hold 50 cm cube liquid. Pipette filler is used to fill any liquid into the pipette to avoid the risk of the contact of the toxic chemicals with skin. Pipette must have the proper graduation level or mark, that is up to 25 cm. Now come towards the collection of the gases. Gases can be collected by passing through the water. Gases can be collected with the help of a gas syringe, or gases can be collected with the help of gas jar or measuring cylinder as well. Colorless and insoluble gases are collected over water. These gases are collected using the upturned measuring cylinder. This procedure is adopted so as to monitor the progress of any chemical reaction that is producing the gas. If you are using the gas jars, for example, there are two positions, position A and position B. The position A is basically downward delivery, that is used for the heavier gases. Gases those are heavier than that of air. And the position B, that is known as basically upward delivery, it is used for the lighter gases. Gases those are lighter than that of air. When we collect the gas over water, it becomes wet. So the wet gases are then dried. The wet gas is allowed to pass through any drying agent. There are two tubes, one is inlet tube and other one is outlet. Inlet tube having the wet gas and outlet having the dry gas. Inlet must be inserted into the solution and the tube of the outlet must be above the level of solution so as to make this process effective. Gas syringe is used to make the collection of all type of gases, either they are visible, water soluble or insoluble. All type of gases can be stored with the help of gas syringe. Temperature can be measured with the help of thermometer, as you are very much familiar with it. There are two basic units usually used in centigrade or Celsius scale or either in Kelvin scale. Similarly, we can measure the time using the stopwatch or any sort of watch to measure the time. This is basically helpful where we are going to check the rate of reaction. Measurement of mass. Amount of matter in the object is known as mass. Mass has different units: kilograms, milligrams, and grams, etc. Mass of any substance that is measured with the help of balance. There are some conversions that you must know. 1000 mm is equal to 1 meter, 100 cm is equal to 1 meter, and 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. Similarly, in case of volumes, 1 dm cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, that is also equal to 1000 ml. 1 dm cube is equal to 1 liter. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, and 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 kelvins. Now come towards the miscellaneous apparatuses. Dropper is used the liquid dropwise roughly. This is the bidirectional tube that is used for the heating the substance in the selective atmosphere. Crucible, tripod stand, burner or separate lamp. Evaporating dish, that is basically used for the process of evaporation. It is a U-shaped tube. It's used for the separation of the different gases and drying the different gases as well. that is known as test tube, just to hold the liquid or solid for heating or shaking or mixing purpose usually. Glass rod is for the shaking purpose. Here is the filter paper inside the funnel. This is the funnel holding the filter paper. Alcoholic burner to provide the fire or heat. This is ladle to fetch or hold the liquid that is used for the rough measurement of the liquid. This is iron stand to hold the burette and sometimes other instruments as well. This is delivery tube to deliver the gas efficiently from one apparatus to the other. These are the safety material gloves to save your hand skin from the corrosive material. And at the last, goggles, a safety material to protect your eyes.